Let's break down the movers list so you can be prepared to trade the morning gappers and movers here. The first one that I have is going to be CLRB. This is Selector Biosciences. This thing popped all the way to 7. It is retraced 80% of that move. We actually coughed up the VWAP in that. By the way, we also tried to bounce, recapture the VWAP. We failed. And then we rolled over lower. In the process, we lost the 9, we lost the 15. And while we did not quite test the 65, we were able to hold above that. So this thing's already had an impulse move higher, big time retracement. Let's take a look at the catalyst and try to figure out exactly what's going on here. Selector Biosciences Phase 2B Clover WAM 12-month data. That's a mouthful. Shows 83.6% ORR and durable response exceeding 18 months in post-BTKI patients. Boy, I'm going to need my AI tool to tell me what the hell half of that stuff means. Hopefully you already ran it through that. A quick peek at the short interest here. 0.64%. This is negligible. No short squeeze potential here today. 1.25 days to cover. That won't matter. On average, stock trades 35,000 shares a day. Today, it's traded 33 million prior to the open. Float here, 4.23 million. So 13, what do you think here on CLRB?
I think the bigger piece of news with this one is the announcement of an oversubscribed financing of up to $140 million. That came first, and then we got this information about the 12-month follow-up data from the Phase 2B Clover release. So I think that it was running on both of those. But what I think could turn this around and maybe lift it up, as we approach the open, is going to be that oversubscribed 140 million financing. So I think I would just want to wait and see what we get here as we approach the open. It looks like it's trying to find a bottom here. If we do get a lift back up, we have some resistance at just above $5, and then the VWAP at 550 is going to be the secondary area of resistance. So we could come back up to the 515 to 550 area and find some resistance around there. But if we move through it, then I think we're back on. So I'm not going to necessarily count this one down and out yet. I want to see what happens as we approach the open, because that financing is pretty big news, I think.
Okay. All right. Well said there. That is CLRB.